The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Boston Police Department. Residents of Boston and surrounding areas, shelter in place immediately. There have been many reports about people being brainwashed by the green gas, and some of those brainwashed people have died a couple of hours later, in some cases 20 minutes. All residents are strongly advised to lock all doors in. Windows and to gather supplies such as food, water, clothing, medical supplies, toiletries, phones, chargers, and a battery-powered or hand-cranked radio with extra batteries. If someone in your shelter is experiencing symptoms, quarantine them from you and other people immediately. Stay tuned to this station for more information as it becomes available.